Hey guys, so today I'll be showing my slime collection. I have a lot of slime, by the way, so yeah. So let's get started. So the first one is the white slime. This slime is really stretchy. Well, it's not that stretchy, but it's stretchy. And this is fluffy slime. Yeah, it's not even stretchy. So that was the first slime. So the next slime is this slime. This slime is really stretchy. It's like gum slime, but it actually is not gum because this is clear slime. Come on, slime. And this slime is pretty sticky. So yeah, here it is. It's stretchy. Okay, so this is like the really stretchy slime. And this is bubble slime. But it's just like a bubblegum slime, but it's not bubblegum. So basically I have 7 slimes. So I have 2 so far, now I'm going on to 3. Let's use the next slime. Here it is. It's really stretchy. It's really stretchy. So it's not really stretchy, but it's stretchy. Yeah, it's like the same thing as the white one. So let's move on to the next slime. My back hurts, so I'm going on to 4 now. Show you down. So here's the next one. This one's pretty fluffy. And most of my slimes are glitter slimes, so I don't judge. Yay! And yes, this is Pokey slime. And this is a fluffy slime. I love my slime. Okay, like this is my favorite slime ever, so don't judge again. So let's move on to the next slime. So wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the 5th slime. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the 5th slime now. Here's the 2nd slime. And this is another glitter slime. Glitter is pretty to me. This is not gonna come out. Oh no. This slime is pretty sticky. Really sticky to me. My back hurts. So here it is. It's really stretchy. I like it. It's really cool. There's more slime in there. I can't even get it out. Try to, but it's not gonna work. Okay, there we go. You see, this slime is really sticky. I don't even need to add any more solution. It picks up stuff from your hand. You're safe. So that was the slime. Hold on. Hold on. I need this something. So there we go. So the next slime is pink slime. This is like a fluffy slime, but not really. She's like regular slime because it's not that stretchy. You can actually like smush it up. Doesn't make that noise. All I can do is just you can like smush it up, and it doesn't really stretch a lot. So yeah. The last line, like almost like my favorite slime. This slime is really fun to play with. This slime is like really fun to play with. Like a lot. And this is like a little bit clear. I like clear slime. And this slime is, I like it. You see how cool this slime is? Really cool. But it's not even clear. But this slime needs to be clean. I want all my slimes to be clean, but this slime is fluffy, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.